What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? We're going to be installing the seal for here and the seal for this guy here. And then also we're going to be also doing the valve lash. So I'll show you guys how I do that for this. Alright guys, so what I'm going to install first, I'm going to install the seal for this guy here. I forgot why I was changing it. I think it just looked disgusting. Oh no, I pulled this out actually, this shaft here, and the way like the dirt went into the seal and stuff, so I just wanted to change it to make sure that was good and stuff. So I'm just gonna put some oil right inside here to help it go in a little easier. That should be good. And all you do is for this, just put it right here, get her lined up like that, and she should just push in. You say we're probably gonna get a socket and stuff and push her in straight. Alright, I got a socket right here. This is a, what size are you? 11/16. That was lucky guess. Alright. So you don't want to push it in all the way, just enough for it just to... I'll say it's good enough. Alright, so one seal is installed. Now next would be this guy. Alright guys, so I put that piece in there. Next, I believe, let's see, I know this guy goes over here like that. So now this is not the proper way at all, guys, so don't follow what I'm doing here. Well, that's not going anywhere. I'm too lazy to go get a socket, so I'm too lazy to do that, so. Keep in mind when you do this, make sure you save the old one so you can probably use that to hit that onto this. If not, you know, it's easier just to get a socket, honestly, just to hit it on, but I really don't feel like going outside to get it. Alright, I found a socket in my tools box, actually, that would work. There we go. She's on. Just like that. See, look, if you have the right things to do it with, you know, probably it's not the right thing to do it with, but it's the right thing to do with in our books. Now you got the seal here. So now we just put her on like this. And then, once again, I don't have any bigger socket than the one I just had, so we're just gonna hit her just like this. Oh, okay. And then when I go outside, I'll also just get another socket to put around the whole thing to hit it in, to make sure it's all the way in there. And so, but right now she's good like that. She is in. Alright, so now we just take our gear like this. We just wiggle her on there, slide her on. Take our nut here. Take our washer. Now let's presume that this is how it goes on. Now, I'm not tightening this up fully, so I'm not really worried about which way this washer goes on or not. I'm probably going to put the washer the other way, just so you guys know, so nobody complains about it or not. I'm just putting like this just for now. I'm not tightening it or anything until I get outside and everything and stuff like that. For now on, she's like that. So now our gear's back on there. Our seals and everything are together now, so now we go to the valve lash and stuff. Alright guys, what we start doing now, we start doing the valve lash. The valve lash is the amount of movement between the valve and the rocker right here. So as you see, this one doesn't have a lot of movement. This has lots of movement here. So he needs a lot of adjustment, and he probably needs a little bit loosening up, but we'll see how we go. First things first, we make sure the motor's in top dead center, so our exhaust cam is lined up about with that little dot right there, and then our intake cam is about 3 degrees up that way. So I already loosened them, but I loosened up these guys right here. Actually, this one might be tight. I don't think I loosened up this one yet. So you untighten these. I untighten all the rest of the nuts here. And the center bolt right here with for the screwdriver is what controls the valve lash. Our exhaust side needs to be 8/1000ths of an inch, and our intake side needs to be about 5/1000ths of an inch. So that's what this is. This is 8/1000ths of an inch for the exhaust side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test it. We're gonna put this through here. It doesn't, she does go between. So let's see if 9/1000ths of an inch goes through. So 9/1000ths of an inch does go through. So we're gonna tighten this up a little bit. So we're gonna hold the nut and we're just gonna turn this a little bit. And so what we're gonna do now. So 9/1000ths of an inch did fit. So we're gonna tighten her up a little bit. So actually I gotta loosen her up, I tightened her up a little too much. So we're gonna loosen it up a little bit. Since I already tried to adjust it. A little bit more. Alright, that looks good right there. Alright, so 9/1000ths of an inch did not fit in there, so we're gonna tighten it up right there. Now they do make a tool for this, but I think the tool's like $70, and I was not paying $70 just for a tool that just makes it a little easier to tighten it up. So, but they do make a tool that makes it a little bit more easier. So you don't have to sit here and fight the nut and everything from moving. Alright, quick, we're gonna test 9/1000ths of an inch to make sure she doesn't fit in there. She does not fit in there. Here's 8/1000ths of an inch, and she fits in there nicely. Not too tight, not too loose. So I'm gonna do that for this valve now. Alright guys, so I got both of these adjusted to 8/1000ths of an inch. Now when you tighten these, put them tight, but don't like muscle bound them. Just give it a nice good jerk, and then good. So for the intake side here, we're doing 5/1000ths of an inch. Now the manual says about 4/1000 to 6/1000 of an inch, so I'm just gonna meet in the middle and say 5/1000ths of an inch. So once again, we got 5/1000ths of an inch here. A little too loose. A little too loose. Alright guys, our valves are now all synchronized with valve lash wise. Like I said, I double checked everything. I double checked these valves, I double checked these valves. Like I said, tighten them wise, I just gave them a little jerk tight, and then that was it. Now after so many rides, you should go check your valve. Alright guys, so since we got all this done, like I said, what I just kind of did, I just painted the valve cover here. I tried red, but red didn't come out so good. I don't know if you can tell in the light, but so I just spray painted real quick black, and then probably do another coat to cover up that little red I put there. But spray paint her black. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. Next video, we're gonna be putting the valve cover back on. We're gonna be putting the face cover back on the front of here, which is right over here. So just gotta clean up the gasket that's left down here. Replace the oil filter, of course, which I have a new one somewhere in that mess over there. But other than that, guys, we're almost done with this thing. This thing should be running within probably 2 weeks now. Well, all the time I have. I'm trying to be a little quiet because my father's sleeping. I don't be too loud. He's right above me. So for a while, I'm trying to be a little quiet here. So this is almost done. Soon we'll be in the quad, and then we'll see how this thing runs. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below, comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel, support it, and as you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.